place for us to hide in the neon world outside. So I suppose we'll always meet in some room above the street. The city lights glow on the shade